it's an amazing device. It's like, I love the shape. When I first saw it, it was like, where do you use it? Like,
No.
I get it. It's for the face. Like, FOREO is all about the face, but for what? For which part of your face? I was like so confused. It is actually eye massager. Yeah.
And the good thing is, because it's made out of silicone, it doesn't absorb all those ingredients.
Exactly,
and
yeah.
we spend so much on eye creams.
Yeah.
You know, and they're like a little tub, so we want to make sure it gets delivered to the area the most.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I mean, the treatment of this lasts for about a minute, which is, again, good for a quick, easy, you know, morning or evening, anytime. You can use it anytime. And it lasts for 30 seconds per eye. So, and it will pause in between, so you know to go from one eye to the next. So you get an even treatment on both sides.
Yep.
Just pretty much pump it up. And you're raring to go. And then if you want to like sort of a slow, more relaxed, you can just pump it down. There you go. And then you can go. So it's pretty much here, here, here. Oh, this feels really good, guys. And then you go from here, here, and here. So that is pretty much how you use it. So it's not over the eye, it's under and over the brow bone. You just put it underneath your eye and you are massaging underneath. Just in the upwards motion, and that really is driving all that sort of fluid build-up, all the toxins that are underneath your eye, and really pushing it out so it gets drained away. So great for sort of brightening the skin, brightening the eye area, and most importantly, especially for the fine lines. So it really plumps them up, because it's getting the oxygenated blood there, which is what I love about it.
Yeah, and this is actually more hygienic to use this, because this is hypoallergenic silicone, BPA-free, like totally safe for your eyes. This device is also ophthalmologist approved, so you don't have to worry. Like, it's completely safe to use. Anybody can use it. It is made for all skin types, all ages, all genders, of course.